My name is Mendy Newman, Group CTO here at Ericom Software. A key theme in many of my customer meetings over the past year has been around unmanaged device security threats, or the so-called third-party access risk. Especially during COVID, when many employees are working at home and many third-party consultants and contractors need access to corporate applications and data, both in the cloud and on premises, to be able to do their day-to-day jobs, but they're working from unmanaged devices. As we know, this is a huge risk. In fact, Microsoft recently reported that 71% of ransomware cases were initiated by some sort of unmanaged internet-facing device. Ericom has a unique solution that works in conjunction with other leading gateway solutions like F5's WAF or Palo Alto's Prisma Access or VMware firewalls that is a game changer. Those are not my words. Those are our customers' words. A game changer for securing unmanaged device access and protecting internal and web cloud-based applications. This product is called Web Application Isolation, and it was developed using our highly scalable remote browser isolation, RBI, engine, which supports some of the largest organizations in the world for browser security. This unique engine is very flexible, which allows us to address a number of challenges looking for better and simpler solutions, like the unmanaged device access challenge. Okay, that's enough talk. Let's go to a demo of the Ericom Web Application Isolation platform. So here I am visiting the Ericom employee portal. This is a demo site. And the first most important thing to understand here is this is a clientless solution. So it requires absolutely no installation on the end user device, no browser plugin, no installed software of any sort. And this allows the employee to get secure access via the Ericom ZT Edge platform to internal and or cloud-based applications. Let's take a quick look. So if I need to report my time hours for a certain project, instead of connecting via VPN or installing software to connect me to the corporate network, I can simply launch this WAI connection. It is sending me through the Ericom cloud, which is then has a custom IP address, which allows me to securely connect to the back-end system and gain access to corporate resources. The same would be true if I'm accessing cloud-based resources, which, using Microsoft restrictions, are restricted access only from the corporate network or authorized networks. By funneling all traffic through the Ericom WAI platform, we can now, A, give that access in a secure environment without the need for any software installed or any client. And on top of that, we can also put robust data control restrictions, so that if I go and try to download a file onto my unauthorized device, that file will be blocked. If I try to copy and paste any text, or I try to copy from the device or to the remote network, remote session, that can also be controlled and blocked. So we have full control over all the data leakage points from this system, which means if I want to download a file, we can block it, or we can make sure the file is inspected. If I want to upload a file, we can make sure the file is inspected and cleansed before it is entered into the corporate network. All these controls are done on the network level. So there is absolutely no software to install. It is simply managed access. I can control downloads. I can control uploads. I can even control copy paste, and I can even make sessions read only if we need to. The key here is that WAI from Ericom can be used on managed devices or on unmanaged devices to provide easy remote access to web, cloud, and on-premise corporate applications. I know this was a short demo, but I hope this showed you the power of this solution. Thank you for your time, and please contact Ericom so we can help you with your unmanaged device security challenges. Thank you and good luck.
ZT Edge, the simple, affordable way to move to zero trust security.